Kana Raisa, Rio Estate. Kana Raisa, Rio Estate. Kana Raisa, Rio Estate. Ibibanza byiza, amazu meza, ni muri Raisa, Rio.
Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Raisa Via Estate. Again, we are here to be showing you your dream home and your dream house. We are here to be telling you that we have been finding houses that you want, the homes that you've been looking for each and every time. This house contains 5 bedrooms and 6 washrooms, the kitchen inside, the dining hall, and the whole inside, everything which you'll be needing, which is located in Kagame still, and we have to be showing you around and come with us. So welcome back. As I've been telling you, your dream house, your dream home is looking good. As well as you can see, we are standing on the street, Lord. It's a good neighborhood, as you can see. So come with us and see the parking also. So welcome back. As I've been telling you, we have the good parking of the house, of the dream house that we've been finding for Real Estate. As you can see, we are in the good parking, which can accommodate and use for more than 5 cars. As you can see, it's a good place. Or welcome back. As I've been telling you, this is where we have to be seeing the beautifulness of the house. As you can see, it's so gorgeous. And I've been telling you that this house contains 5 bedrooms and 6 washrooms, and also the kitchen inside, and it has the accessories. All you have to bring is your clothes. Everything is inside, and we rent this house per month. As you can see, it's good. You can see the plantings, the niche that we have there. Even everything you can see here is looking beautiful, and me here, even the background, you can see everything around here is looking good. So I've been telling you, we have to be joining this house and see each and everything that it contains. Come with me. We have the good flowers, plants, everything that you can see around here is looking beautiful, and the vases that contains the plants. And I want you mostly to show you here my outside balcony. As you can see here, we have to be in the evening with the family and everything. As you can see, we also have the place there where the bartender can stand and serve the drinks, and everything here is looking cool. So I've been telling you that we are going to be visiting this house because it's awesome and it's looking good. So come. Welcome back. As I've been telling you, everything right here is looking good and it's looking perfect. As we are still outside, I've been showing you the parking and the balcony outside where you can join your family in the evening. And as long as you can see me standing here, we still have this balcony and the vases that are welcoming us and giving us the hospitality to enter into our house. And as you can see, this is the best balcony before entering the house, and we are glad to be showing you inside, and I hope you're going to be liking everything that's awesome in this house. Come with us. As I've told you, Raisa is that we've been bringing you the beautiful home right here, your dream home and your dream house. As you can see, this is the beautiful main hall and the beautiful sitting room. As you can see, we all have the accessories that we have been telling you. We told you that everything right here, you don't have to bring things. We already have the chairs. You can see they are the good ones, the modern one. You can see the curtains. You can see even the upper ceiling, even the rooftop, everything is looking good. So even here we have the TV stand and even the designs that makes this look more good, and the furniture that makes it look perfect. As I've been telling you, this house has 5 rooms and 6 washrooms that you have to be looking forward to, and we are going to be visiting them. Come with us. As I've been telling you, this house is so awesome and amazing. As we are here in the dining room, you can see it's the dining room where the people fit as 8, and we also have the babysitting chair. As you can see here, it's also good, and you have also the ceiling, everything, the designs is also looking good. And I'm still telling you, you have to rent this house because it's affordable. So come with us in the kitchen room. So welcome back. As we have been telling you, we have brought you your dream house, your dream home. So for the mothers and their daughters, we have the dream kitchen for you. We have everything that we have told you. We told you that you don't have to bring things. We already have the accessories and their curtains and everything. So as you can see, we have the things here. We have the everything, the plates, the cups, everything we have. You don't have to bring things. So as you can see here, we also have the things here that we can use for the people who like to cook. They already know what they want. And you can also see the trays for the eggs. We also see here the sink. We can also see here the cooker, the modern cooker. As you can see, it can also have something right there down for using you, the people who like to bake, even more of it. And coming here, you can see we have the oven. It's right here for the people who like to make their foods warm and good, not cold. As you can see, we also have the good glasses. As you can see, everything here is including. We have also the saucepans the people can use. We also have the modern kettle. As you can see, we also have the blenders for the people who like to blend juices. And you can see everything that you can want here is already here. So welcome, and we want to show you more about the rooms and the bathrooms that we've been telling you about. But before doing that, I just wanted to show you the washing machine for the people who like to wash. It's so modern and it's so good, as you can see for it. The people who like to wash their clothes so quickly without using, we are in the modern and the digital world where the people have to be doing things so quickly. So we have the washing machine for that. So come with us in the rooms where you have to be seeing that. So welcome back. As I've been telling you, we have 5 rooms and 6 bedrooms. So you have to be seeing everything right here. As you can see here, we have the bedroom for the visitors, and it also contains the washroom, the bathroom the people can be needing. You can see there, as my photographer is showing you that. More basically, we have modern things, modern toilet, modern sinks, the modern everything that you can be needing, even for the cleaning. And coming here on this side, you can see the toilet for the visitors. Everything right in here is so modern, as you can see. I've been telling you that this house is so awesome, and I am glad to be showing you more of the things that we contain and we have been seeing, and we have brought you for the dream houses. And I just want to tell you to come with me, so you have to do it. So come with me on the stairs, and you can see everything in this house. I've been looking up here. As you can see, it has the good and the thing that you can be looking, the plans, the designs, the walls, the ceilings, everything is good. So coming to this place, I have another bedroom. I think it's the second one. As I've been telling you, we have other bedrooms and the washrooms as well that I want you to visit with me, so you can come and see. This is the bedroom that I've been telling you is the second one. As I've told you that we have 5. As you can see, it's good, and it has the good side of outside. And you can see also have the modern washroom and the bathroom inside it. You can see it's something good that looks very fine and awesome for the people who like to shower. You have to love this, of course. We also wanted to tell you that this house, you have to be renting it. It's so good and so awesome and affordable. You guys have to be with us and tell me with other bedrooms that are remaining. So welcome back. As I've been telling you, this is the 3rd room that I'll be going to be showing you. As my photographer is showing you, he is telling you that this is the awesome place that you have to be looking forward to buy. It's affordable and it's good, and I just wanted to tell you that this house is so affordable. If you need something or more information, you can call us or visit our website or on YouTube, Braceria Estate. It's our channel where we have to be giving you the information of everything that you're going to be needing. And we also have the bathroom right here at my right. As you can see, it's so good and it's so modern. More of that, I just wanted to tell you, we also have the good wardrobes right here. As you can see, everything, the bed sheet and the bedroom, everything is inside. It's the good one and it's the modern one. As we go to the 4th room, come with me. So as you see, we are here in the kids' bedroom. As you can see, it's also good, and it has the good wardrobe and even the good beds, the 2 beds for the children, the upstairs one and the downstairs one, where the children have to be fitting into well. And I've been telling you that this house is so awesome and it looks so good for you to be buying it, and it's also affordable. As we show you even the bathroom right here. Right here you can see everything is still good and modern. As we have been telling you, you have to be buying this house, guys. It's so awesome. I just wanted you to know that you don't have to find anything rather than going to Raisa Real Estate YouTube channel to find more of the information. So come with me to the master bedroom. So welcome. As I've been telling you, this is our master bedroom. As I've been telling you, the house is so looking good. Guys, you can see the bedroom that I've been telling you. Everything is so awesome right here. We also have the things which are modern. You can see everything right here. We have the bed sheets and the bedroom. It's so good. You don't have to bring anything. The curtains and everything that you've been needing is into here already. And as we continue to visit here, you can see the wardrobe right there. We have the one right there, and we also have this one here. We have two wardrobes, which is affordable for someone to be putting his clothing and shoes. We also have the bathroom right here. As you can see, we have the bathtub where you can filter the hot water, the cold water. Everything here is going to be good. The toilet, even here, the shower, you can see everything is good. Guys, you have to be buying this house in high season. You have to be booking more of the things that is going to be making you so awesome with your family, and you have to be enjoying, and you have to call us and get the information on Red Real Estate YouTube channel as long as you need it, because the house is so available in the high season. So come outside with us to the balcony. So as I've been telling you, this house is so amazing, and I'm still showing you the awesome things. This is the balcony for the master bedroom. As you can see, my photographer is showing you the view. You can see all the places, Gesera, everything, every place you can be looking is the good view. Especially at night, you can see everything is looking definitely good. As I've been telling you, you have to be booking this house. It's available in high seasons for 1 month, for 2 months. Just learning, you just have to be having this house. You have to follow our pages and our YouTube channel of Raisa Real Estate. You have to be making sure that you call us and get more of the information that you can be needing. So thank you for being with us in this video. So guys, as I've been telling you, this house is looking good, and I'm thanking everyone that we've been together in this video. I just wanted to tell you that you have to be buying this house because we have more forts, as we have been showing it to you previously. The bedrooms, the washrooms, everything you have to bring yourself. Clothes, not only that, the things here are available. It's high season, guys. You have to be buying this house. It's all available, and if you need more of the information, you can call us or go to our YouTube channel of Raisa Real Estate. It's located in Kagala. It's a good neighborhood, and it's a Lord Street good neighborhood that you have to be looking forward to. So thank you.